Alexandra Paul, then and now. He is now 62 years old. Stephanie Beecham, then and now. She is now 78 years old. Gary Sandy, then and now. He is now 80 years old. Linda Gary, then and now. She is now 85 years old. Gerald McCraney, then and now. He is now 78 years old. Lee Merriweather, then and now. She is now 90 years old. Pam Dabar, then and now. She is now 73 years old. Barbara Luna, then and now. She is now 89 years old. Sharon Glees, then and now. She is now 82 years old. Robert Hayes, then and now. He is now 78 years old. Corinne Valentine, then and now. She is now 78 years old. Alyssa Silverton, then and now. She is now 49 years old. Angelica Huston, then and now. She is now 74 years old. Barbara Hershey, then and now. She is now 76 years old. John Larroquette, then and now. He is now 77 years old. Jamie Farr, then and now. He is now 91 years old. Michael Norrie, then and now. He is now 80 years old. Martin Sheen, then and now. He is now 85 years old. Maggie Chung, then and now. She is now 60 years old. Richard Kern, then and now. He is now 69 years old. Daphne Zuniga, then and now. She is now 63 years old. Delta Burke, then and now. She is now 68 years old. Boo Sevison, then and now. He is now 84 years old. Christy Manicol, then and now. She is now 63 years old. Elizabeth Ashley, then and now. She is now 86 years old. Gary Berghoff, then and now. He is now 82 years old. Timothy Patton, then and now. He is now 66 years old. Patrick Wine, then and now. He is now 86 years old. Susan Anton, then and now. She is now 75 years old. Rob Morrow, then and now. He is now 63 years old. Julie Christie. Then and now. She is now 85 years old. Matthew Broderick. Then and now. He is now 63 years old. Lorenzo Lamas. Then and now. He is now 67 years old. Mark Curie. Then and now. He is now 64 years old. Jennifer Beals. Then and now. She is now 61 years old. Talia Shri. Then and now. She is now 79 years old. Stockard Channing. Then and now. She is now 81 years old. Ron Perlman. Then and now. He is now 75 years old. Edie Marinero. Then and now. He is now 75 years old. Peter Storas. Then and now. He is now 78 years old. Stephanie Zimbalist. Then and now. She is now 70 years old. Marlo Thomas. Then and now. She is now 88 years old. Ilkar Sumar. Then and now. She is now 83 years old. Paul Michael Glazer. Then and now. He is now 82 years old. Richard Benjamin. Then and now. He is now 87 years old. Leif Garrett. Then and now. He is now 64 years old. Dancia Meckler. Then and now. She is now 50 years old. Jesslyn Smith. Then and now. She is now 80 years old. Looney Anderson. Then and now. She is now 79 years old. Eloth Gould. Then and now. He is now 87 years old. Sherry Belafonte. Then and now. She is now 71 years old. Jasmine Bleeth. Then and now. She is now 56 years old.